the guideline issued by UGC, my lord, that it dismantles the procedural safeguard guaranteed by the Constitution of India, my lord, and my lords are supervisors of the Constitution, my lord. So it may be protected, my lord. May be protected. All the citizens may be protected, my lord. Otherwise, it will disturb the very mandate of the Constitution and very mandate of the socio-cultural and geographical. All these things, my lord.
My lords, we are actually challenging section 3C of the definition. Lords, may kindly have it for a moment.
My lord, I am appearing.
Section 3C of the definition of the UGC regulations.
Your Lordship, may I begin with? I am appearing in item number 30.
For a moment, Lord.
Hear all of you. Please wait. Have patience. We'll hear all of you.
Please, Your Lordship.
May I just read, Lords, if Lordships permit, section 3C. Caste-based discrimination. Caste-based discrimination means discrimination only on the basis of caste or tribe against the members of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. My lords, my respectful submission is that this is completely exclusive. The members of the general category, Lordship, may for a moment have a party. The discrimination, the definition which is of discrimination is all encompassing.
No, read the definition of discrimination.
Yes, my lord. Discrimination means any unfair, differential, or biased treatment or any such act against any stakeholder, whether explicit or implicit, on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, gender, place of birth, disability, or any of them. It also includes any distinction, exclusion, limitation, or preference which has the purpose or effect of nullifying or impairing equality of treatment in education, and in particular of imposing conditions on any stakeholder or group of stakeholders which are incompatible with human dignity. Stakeholders is also defined, my lords. Now, my lords, when my respectful submission is, when section 3E is already in place, what is the need of section 3C? And section 3C has no reasonable nexus with the object sought to be achieved. There is no intelligible differentia, and it is having a presumption that only a particular section of the society will be having a caste-based discrimination. And let me be very, as an officer of the court, I have, my lords, gone through the entire record of the Abid Salim matter also, my lord. The drift of the orders of this honorable court was not this.
No, never.
It was not this, my lord, which has been ultimately legislated. And this will create, my lords, further divisions in the society. My lords, though, my lords, I do not want to get there, though in the petition which has led to this present regulations, lot of instances have been given. But I have also many instances of, but I am not on instances.
We are simply examining it on the threshold of the
Article 14.
constitutionality,
Yes, madam.
and legality.
I'm so grateful.
Otherwise, instances
Can be on both sides. I'm so grateful. Yes,
that will be.
yes, my lord.
My lord,
So, my lords, this caste-based discrimination, I am seeking a stay on this definition of caste-based discrimination, as well as, lordship, may kindly see, my lords, I want to cite one judgment of this honorable court in Paradise Printers versus Union of India. Lordship, may for a moment have section paragraph 14 of that judgment. And if lordship,
You just read.
yes, my lord. This is, my lords, Paradise Printers versus Union Territory of Chandigarh. This paragraph 14 I am reading. This takes us to the question whether the revised policy adopted by Chandigarh administration to allot smaller sites to these appellates was discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. The true meaning and scope of Article 14 has been stated and restated in strings of decisions of this court. It is now well established that Article 14 forbids class legislation, but does not forbid reasonable classification for the purpose of legislation. In order, however, to pass the test of permissible classification, two conditions must be fulfilled, namely, that the classification must be founded on an intelligible differentia, which distinguishes persons or things that are grouped together from others left out of the group, and that the differentia must have a rational relation to the object sought to be achieved by the statute in question. The classification may be founded on different bases, namely geographical or according to objects or occupations or like. What is necessary there must be nexus between the basis of classification and the object of the act under the consideration. S.R. Das, Chief Justice speaking for this court in Ram Krishna Dalmia versus Justice S.R. Tendulkar, has formulated various aspects
So then these principles are very well known. There
Yes,
is no
madam.
need to even read it.
So, my lords, my respectful submission is, that this definition, section 3C, is completely hit by the provisions of Article 14, and when already section 3E is in place, discrimination has been defined. Then, my lords, you cannot assume or presume, a statute cannot presume that a discrimination will be only by a certain section of the society. Lordship will kindly appreciate this submission.
But will these